Good day, sir. I am Annalyn Alforo. So today I will present my system entitled Brain Stroke Prediction System. This system is designed to analyze users' health information and predict the risk of brain stroke using machine learning techniques. The goal of the system is to support early risk assessment and promote health awareness. This is the welcome page of the Brain Stroke Prediction System. This page introduces the purpose of the system, which is to help predict the risk of brain stroke using machine learning. Users can see a short description explaining how the system analyzes health data for early risk detection. The login and register buttons are located at the top, allowing users to access or create an account. The Get Started button guides the users to begin using the system. This is the login page of the Brainstroke Prediction System. Here, the user enters their username and password to access the system. If the user already has an account, they can click the login button to proceed. If the user does not have an account yet, they can click the register here link to create a new account. This is the register page where new users can create an account. Users are required to fill in their personal information and account details. After clicking the register button, the user can log in and use the system. If the user has already an account, they will click login button and then log in. This is the user dashboard where users can input their health information. The form includes details such as gender, age, hypertension, heart disease, work I ever married, work type, residence type, average average low cost level, BMI, smoking status. After clicking submit information, the system processes the data and shows the predicted stroke risk in the submitted records table below. So here's the stroke risk prediction result. So it has risk factors analysis, recommendations, and back to the dashboard. By scrolling down the dashboard, the user can view the predicted brain stroke result. This section shows the submitted health data together with the prediction outcome. The result is labeled as low risk and high risk based on the system analysis. This is the About page of the brain stroke prediction system. It explains the purpose of the system, its case features, and how it predicts stores stroke risk using machine learning. The page also highlights data privacy and security to ensure user information is protected. This is the database structure of the brain stroke prediction system, shown in phpMyAdmin. All data entered by users and admin are stored in different tables such as users, user dashboard, user log, and admin. This confirms that the system securely saves and manages all information in the database. This table shows the user login record stored in the database. It displays the username, login date, time in, time out, IP address, and user agent. This confirms that the system tracks and records with which user accessed the system. This table stores all health information submitted by user in the dashboard. It includes data such as age, gender, medical conditions, lifestyle factors, and the predicted stroke result. This confirms that all inputs and prediction outputs are properly saved in the database. This is the admin login page of the Brainstroke prediction system. The administrator enters the admin username and password to access the admin interface. After a successful login, the admin can manage and monitor the system data. This is the admin dashboard, where the administrator can view an overview of the system data. The dashboard displays summary statistics such as total users with hypertension, heart disease, and marital status. Below, the admin can view, edit, delete, search, and export user records for system monitoring and management. This page shows the list of user registration registered in the system. The admin can view user details such as name, date of birth, gender, contact number, and username. The admin can also edit or delete user account using the action buttons. The admin can create a new user account by entering personal and login information. After clicking Add User, the new account is saved and added to the user list. In summary, the brain stroke prediction system allows user to input health data and receive a stroke risk prediction. All user activities, health records, and prediction are securely stored in the database and managed through the admin panel. This system demonstrates an efficient and reliable way to support early brain stroke risk assessment. That's all, sir.